Today I'm going to bypass the Tecno Camon 18 the easiest way. This is the easiest way ever. All you need to have is this some FW, which is the latest version 5.3, and the USB cable. As you can see, I've already connect the USB cable to my device. What I have to do is to connect the phone to the PC. Okay, as you can see, it has shown me the USB debugging. All I have to do is to accept and then do this, and then you go to the software, which is some FW. You tap on Android, then you tap on FRP, then you tap on remove FRP, then you tap on new method. As you can see, it has started removing the FRP security. As you can see, it has finished. FRP remove successfully, and the device will be rebooted, and the FRP will be permanently removed. Okay, well done. As you can see, I have successfully removed the FRP from Tecno Camon 18. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Take care.